The chocolate vine, Akebia quinata, deserves to be more widely grown. It's called the chocolate vine not just because its flowers are a bit chocolatey in colour, sort of deep maroon, but it smells of chocolate. It's a native of Japan, China and Korea, and it can scramble up trees and shrubs to a height of 10 metres if you let it. Its leaves are lovely. They're evergreen or semi-evergreen and fingered, 5 lobes. Really give it a try, Akebia quinata. It's a lovely thing that more of us should have a bash with. The Californian lilac, Ceanothus, is a glorious plant to have in your garden because it's covered in spring and early summer with these blue powder puff flowers. It absolutely comes to life. It looks as if pieces of sky have dropped down and peppered the bush. Find it a mild spot where it's fairly sheltered and it will do well. In cold and exposed areas, the leaves can go a bit brown in winter, but given the right spot, you'll be so glad you planted a Californian lilac. The clue is in the name. One of my favourite garden shrubs, because it's bright and cheery all the year round and particularly noticeable in winter, is the little euonymus called Euonymus Emerald and Gold, and indeed that's exactly what its evergreen leaves are, bright yellow and bright green. It will make a dome. You can clip it, but if you plant it against a wall, it will suddenly go, oh, I can go up here, and it will start going up and up and up. You can tie it in and train it. It's really useful, and it's winter sunshine for me in my garden. Euonymus Emerald and Gold. For part of the year, the silk tassel bush, Garrya elliptica, can be one of the dullest shrubs in the garden. That's no way to sell it to you, is it? But then in winter, you'll find that the catkins begin to develop on the evergreen leaves. They come down from it, and in the variety James Roof, these long, silky, pale grey catkins can be fully 6 inches long. Plant it against a wall where there's a light, a lamp hanging, and it's purely magical in winter. It will look as if the entire bush is covered in icicles. The very name passion flower sounds exotic, but it's probably not the kind of passion you're thinking about. The name refers to Christ's passion and the fact that the flower parts are significant. There are 5 loaves and 3 fishes in the anthers and the stamens. There are whips with which he was scourged, which are the tendrils, and the hands of his persecutors are the leaves. The petals make the 12 apostles. It's an intriguing story, but it's also an intriguing plant with these wonderfully bright, exotic-looking flowers. Grow it among other plants and shrubs and see it disport itself in the sun or the shade. A really useful plant, the passion flower.